Object-oriented programming. Okay, this is one kind of approach that suitable for us if we want to move from function. Okay, from function to object-oriented, it will be nice approach. Okay, but if you write something about programming, about your project become more complex, the code is more longer, so we should organize our code into object-oriented programming. The main point of the object-oriented is we should talk. The first thing is about object-oriented. Okay, object-oriented. As we know that object-oriented is everything will have to look at everything. Okay, as object. Okay, it will represent everything as an object. It's related to our life also. Everything around us is object. We can see. Okay, in the object-oriented approach, we have three things that working together. Okay, working together. Even we are talking about object-oriented programming, but the approach of object-oriented, they are combined of three things. Okay, the first is object-oriented analysis, object-oriented design, and object-oriented programming. This is will be the three principles of object-oriented. Okay. So you learn about object-oriented programming. So they will apply the object-oriented design. Okay, the design is they show a big picture or display some kind of object-oriented analysis in terms of figure or annotation such as class diagram, activity diagram, and sequence diagram. Okay. This is example of class diagram that represent the object. Okay, we have many objects here. We have parents, we have object C, A, B, C. Okay, we have parent A, B, we have parent C. This is the all is object. Okay, they are represent in terms of class diagram. Okay, in object-oriented, we have many things to discuss. Okay, this is the thing that if we are discuss about object-oriented, this one will be the main and the core concept and the principle and what we call the discipline about the object-oriented. Okay, first is about core concept. You are beginner, you should look at this one. Object, class, abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Okay, this is the core concept or basic concept of the object-oriented. Okay, whatever object-oriented analyze and design or object-oriented programming. Okay, use case. Okay, use case as actor, user story, scenario, and use case. This is the thing that we include on the object-oriented analysis that we use to analyze and design, and then we use object-oriented programming to writing the code based on the use case. Okay. Domain modeling. Okay, we have such as a class relationship, class responsibility, CRC card. We have conceptual model. This is about domain modeling. Okay, that used to draw the relationship or used to tell what this class have to do with another. Okay, the classes. This is the main point also of the object-oriented. We have static, we have share member, we have class diagram, we have object lifetime, we have converting class diagram to code, something like this. From the model to code, we call converting class diagram to code. Okay, I already upload one of the model that convert to code. Okay, we call code generator by using *UML. I already upload it to the GitHub of mine. Okay, you can check it. Okay, inheritance and composition. This is the thing that we do in the object-oriented. We can inherit. Okay, we can borrow the parents property and object. We can borrow the parent property and method. We call inheritance. Okay, we can use interfaces. Okay, we specify name, and then we can use interfaces as the global name will be one standard. Okay, aggregation, we have a composition, inheritance situation, and so on. This is the way that the inheritance and composition doing. Okay, we have advanced concept of object-oriented as UML2, sequence diagram. We have object-oriented design pattern. we have object-oriented design principle. Okay, as we have many patterns that apply. If you look at any library, they apply a lot of patterns, especially design pattern. Okay, as a facade design pattern, and memento or design pattern as singleton, something like this, and repository design pattern, and so on. Okay, we have the principle of object-oriented design as solid. We have grasp, we have development principle, and so on. This is the principle that we use to drive the object-oriented design. Okay, this is the thing about object-oriented. There are a lot of things to discuss about object-oriented. Okay.